morning everyone. Myself Anup Kumar, and this is my third video of this chapter, Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. Okay, dear. So today we will discuss about that how to find the coordinates if the question is given in the graph. In graph, we have to find that what is the coordinate of point A, point B, point C, point D on the graph, and how to plot the points and how to find the area of the triangle by joining all the points. Okay, dear. So let's see. Now, students, at first I am drawing the figure with the question. Okay, the question is given that write the coordinates of the given point. Okay. And in the graph it is given that it is x0, y0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now we have to find this. Let's see. Now here the figure is like this. C here, yes, figure is given like this. It is named as, and one more thing it is given inside this here. So this type of figure, and it is named as A, B, C, D. No, wait. Name is different. A. After that, B here, C here, D here. Then E, F, G, H. Then I, J, K. Now, how can we find the coordinate of this point? At first, let us start with A. Okay, if you are looking at A, then at first we know that at first we have to write the value of abscissa, and then we will write the value of ordinate. Okay, so at A, abscissa value, then we have to see the x-axis. Now, x-axis is 4, so we will write 4. And ordinate 7, so we will write 7. Now B, x-axis 7, ordinate 4. Then after C, x-axis 4, ordinate 1. Then D, x-axis 1 and ordinate 4. Always C x-axis, then y-axis. Then E, x-axis 3. Y-axis 5, F, x-axis 5, y-axis again 5. G, x-axis 5, y-axis 3. H, x-axis 3, y-axis 3. Now I, x-axis 4, y-axis 5. J, x-axis 5, y-axis 4. K, x-axis 4, y-axis 3. L, x-axis 3 and y-axis 2. Like this we can write in the graph, and if you are writing just beside the line, then you can write coordinate of A is equal to 4, 7. Then B, C, D and so on. We have to find. So like this, at first we will see the x-axis, then y-axis to find the coordinate of any point. Okay, now let's see another question. Now, the next question is given that plot A 1 side, B 1, 2 and C 5, 2 on graph sheet and name the shape and name the shape formed, and we have also find the area formed by joining these points. Okay, so this is the question. We have 3 points A, B and C, and whose coordinates are 1, 5, 1, 2 and 5 respectively. Okay, we have to draw a graph at first, and we will then plot the point, and then we will join the points, and then the area formed by joining the points we will find. Let's see. At first, as you can see, the 3 points is given what? Here I am writing. Wait first. Outside A is given 1, 5, B 1, 2 and C is given 5. Okay. Now x-axis 1, 1, 5. Maximum 5. Then it means we will go up to 1 more 6. And all plus, then there is no need to draw the y-axis. That is in the -1. X, 0, y. It is the origin. Then up to x we will go up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now y-axis 5 to 2. Again we will go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Okay. Now 1, 5. Plot the point. 1, 5. 1 x-axis, 5 y-axis. This one. And this is called A. 1, 5. Now B 1, 2. 1 and 2. This one B. Okay. 1 and 2. Now C 5, 2. 5 and 2. 5 and 2 here. 5 and join all the lines. Now what What figure is this? Right angle triangle. Because this line is straight. So it is a right angle triangle. Whose base is BC and the height is AB. So as it is a right angle triangle, then we need to find the value of BC and AB to find its area. Then what will be the distance of BC? Okay. Now we can say that distance of BC. Now base BC is equal to, we can write total. It means BC will be what? Total distance minus that distance. If you will write like this, it is B1 and 2. If you will draw an imaginary line like this and name this is at M or P. Now here P. Then we can say PC minus PB is equal to BC. PC minus PB is equal to BC. Then what will be the PC distance? P to C, 5. 0 to 5, 5. And P to B, 0 to 1, 1. It means it is 4 centimeters. Okay. 4 unit because it is not written in any unit. So we will write unit only, 4 unit. Now perpendicular AB. It means height. Height AB is equal to what? Again, increase it. Now and name this as A is given Q. AQ. AB. What is the distance of AB? AB will be AQ minus B. AQ minus B. Then we will get AB. Now A to Q, total distance 5. And B to Q, 2. Then it is 3 units. Now we get base and height both. So we can find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AB. It means 1 by 2 into 4 into 3. 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 6 square meter. Because it is the area, so we will write in square meter. Okay. So I hope that you all have understood that how to find any coordinates from the point on the graph and how to find the area of triangle after joining 3 points. Okay, dear? And one more thing I want to say. Okay, at first we will recall all the coordinates, what is coordinate, geometry, everything. As you know that what is abscissa, and at first what is coordinate? Coordinate means the point which is given, which is on the graph sheet, is called the point. Okay, and it has 2 coordinates. The first one is called abscissa and the second one is called ordinate. Okay, let's see. I am giving only the oral discussion. Now, here if P is the point named as A and A, B are the its 2 coordinates, then we will say A is the abscissa and B is the ordinate, and they all together called coordinate of point P. Okay, and about the Cartesian plane. Okay, let's recall the Cartesian plane also. Now at first you have to draw X O X dash line, Y O Y dash line. Now in horizontal line X O X dash, the right side from O will be all positive and left side all negative. Upside of Y O Y dash line all positive and downside all negative. And we will move through the anti-clockwise direction, and we will start from here. It will be the quadrant first, it will be the quadrant second, it will be the quadrant third, and it will be the quadrant fourth. Okay, then quadrant first plus plus, this one minus plus, this one minus minus, and this one plus and minus. So always keep in mind about abscissa ordinate and the Cartesian plane. if you will remember these 2 points, then you will not get any difficulty to solve this chapter. Okay dear? So at last, thank you dear.